In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect my custom domain to Carrd website. First, head over to carrd.so and sign into your account. Custom domains are a pro feature, so make sure your plan includes it before you begin. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the site you want to connect to your domain. Hover over that site and click the pencil icon to open it in the editor. This takes you into the place where you make changes and publish them. When the editor is open, find the Publish option. You can click the word Publish or the little floppy disk icon, both do the same thing. This opens the publishing panel where you choose how and where your site goes live. In the Action section, select Publish to a custom domain. You may see this option once as a selection and then again as a button to continue. Go ahead and click Publish to a custom domain to move forward. Carrd is confirming that you want to use your own domain instead of a carrd.co URL. Next, you'll be asked to enter the domain name exactly as you want it to appear in the browser's address bar. This part matters. If you want visitors to use www, type it with the www. If you prefer the root domain only, type just the domain without anything in front. You can also use a subdomain if you like, for example, something like demo.yourdomain.com. Whatever you enter here is what Carrd will expect and configure for publishing, so double check for typos before proceeding. After you've entered the domain, click Publish Changes. Carrd will save your choice and begin preparing your site for that domain. If your DNS is already set up for this domain, your site can go live quickly. If not, Carrd will show you the exact DNS records you need to add at your domain provider. Follow those on-screen instructions if prompted. It's normal for DNS updates to take some time to propagate across the internet, often anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Once publishing completes, open a new browser tab and visit the domain you entered to confirm everything looks right. If you don't see your site right away, give it a little time and refresh. SSL is handled by Carrd, so the secure padlock may appear after the DNS change settles. That's it. You've connected your custom domain to your Carrd website, entered it exactly as you want it shown, and published your changes. If you ever want to switch domains or update the format, repeat these steps and publish again.